This is how it started. Another exciting evening at 53 Blackwood Road.
Hi, Julia. How are you? Yeah, sure.
When's your birthday?
The 4th of August.
That's Leo. You're a lion.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
What about you?
My birthday's the 16th of March. I'm a Pisces.
The fish? So what's the horoscope sign for this month?
May. The first part is Taurus.
The bull. So Jane's a bull.
Is Jane's birthday this month? When?
The 13th.
The 13th of May. It's the 11th of May today. That's in 2 days. Are you sure?
That's what she said.
Did you hear?
No?
It's Jane's birthday on Saturday. Why don't we have a party?
In 2 days?
Yeah.
A surprise party.
Good idea.
Right. How many people?
Just the 4 of us. A meal, the cake, something to drink, presents.
Okay. Let's make a shopping list.
Got it.
Let's see it.
That looks great. Where did you get it? Ow.
I bought it at Pascal's, you know, next to the bank.
How much was it?
It was £15.
Did you get the candles? You didn't get the candles.
I did.
Thank you.
When does Jane get home?
Usually at 6:30 after her game of tennis. In about 20 minutes.
Oh no!
She's early.
David, help me with this cake.
Matt, don't let her come into the kitchen.
How?
Talk to her. 2 minutes.
What do you want me to talk about?
Anything.
Hi, Jane.
Hi, Matt.
It let me.
Thanks.
Did you have a nice day?
Yes.
What did you do?
I went shopping.
What did you buy?
I bought a t-shirt and some shoes and I bought some food. Matt, are you okay?
What else did you do?
I played tennis
Where?
at the sports centre.
I had a good day.
Did you?
I got up at about, at 11 o'clock. And then I had breakfast. I had cornflakes and I had toast and coffee. And orange juice. And then I watched television. And then...
Matt, please move. Now.
Happy
birthday!
Birthday!
It's not your birthday.
Matthew.
But you said it was the 13th of May.
The 30th of May, Matt. Not the 13th.
Then what do we do with all this food and drink?
We can still have a party.
Then what about the 30th?
We can have a party then too.
Sure.
Great! 2 parties!
But only one present, yeah?
Oh, David.
What?
Really?
So that was the surprise party. A real surprise
Welcome to the house.
for everyone.